Hi everyone, my name is Miss Kat and I'm going to teach you how to make a diorama, which is a little artwork inside a small box. So first you can get a small box, like a tissue box. I chose this black box because it looks like space. You can cut it any way you like. You can actually have it like this and then decorate the box, but I'm gonna cut it out. So now it looks something like this. And then I went ahead and I drew the sun and some planets and an astronaut, and I'm going to stick it inside the box with my glue. You can actually get creative and you can use a paper clip and attach it to the planet. And then get a rubber band. And then use a tape. And then you can go ahead and attach the tape to the rubber band and tape it to the ceiling of the box. So it looks like this. Of course, you can do it any way that you like. Now for the astronaut, it's a stand over here. You can do it any way you like, but I'm gonna use a paper straw. And I'm gonna tape him to this and then have him stand up. So let me just cut this straw. Like this. I'm gonna tape him to the straw. And then I'm gonna tape the straw inside the box. Maybe put him in the middle. Right, like this. And this is what my little box looks like. You can add anything you like. You can also use clay or any materials that you can think of. You can paint it as well, paint some stars. And this is my little box. Thank you for watching.